hope you enjoyed that little snippet of our Twinkl Tunes original song, Autumn Time. This song has been designed to reflect the changes that happen during autumn and is aimed at all primary school children. To find our original songs, simply search for Twinkl Tunes original songs before selecting your key stage. Alternatively, you can select your key stage from the Twinkl menu tabs, then select music, then scroll down and select original songs. Once downloaded, you'll have 3 options of files to open, either the backing track, PowerPoint, or the vocal track PowerPoint and the lyrics sheet in PDF. All our songs have been written by our music team with your learners in mind, so whether you want to sit back and listen, sing along or perform for an audience, we have the songs you need right here.